We're gonna be playing with this slime right now. Hey guys, what's up? So, yesterday we played with this slime. So first let's review it and then we can move on to the next slime. So basically it has, of course, blue and yellow beads, and it smells like marshmallow, and it's white. And it's not that stretchy. And I also put it on my brother's hair, but it didn't stick. I was hoping it sticked, but it didn't. Okay, so we're going to play with this slime next. It might look like blue, but it's actually like blue and green and some white, a little bit white mixed together, and it has these, and it's like beads, and it's really stretchy. So it basically has, oh my god, these beads, and no, not beads, it's glitter. And then it has orange beads, and green beads, yellow beads, purple beads, pink beads, and white beads. And it's real stretchy. So this is like my favorite slime because I love the smell of mint and ow, okay. And it's really good. I need to vacuum my room after this. The beads are getting everywhere on the floor. Okay. So we're gonna lay down flat. Okay. Now we're gonna just poke it. Okay, wait. Okay, so like that. If you hear like noises in the background, that's my brother watching Ninja Kids. So okay, so this is really stretchy, and let's see how far it can stretch. Okay, we're gonna put this over here. Okay, wait. Okay, it's not sticking over there. Okay. So over here, and then we're gonna put this right over here, just like that, and then we're just gonna stretch it. Okay, that's a big stretch. Okay. It's getting everywhere. Okay. My AirPod. Okay, so you see. Okay, now enjoy the slime for a bit. Okay, so we're done playing with the slime. Now I just want to show you something. And at the end, I'll give one shout out to a person that is not my family member. Okay.
Happy? Where's your lunch, lady?
I don't know. Okay, so I'll tell you all about this slime. Okay, wait. So, okay. So you guys can take a quick look at it, and then, yeah. Ooh. And that is it, because tomorrow you need to see this. And when I make like the slime smoothie, okay, so when I make the slime smoothie, make sure you guys okay, when I make the slime smoothie, make sure that you are here so you can see me make the slime smoothie. I will make like a live video and like I don't know what I'm doing. A like this video and like a live video. So yeah, and sometimes I'm gonna go live on my channel so you guys can see. Okay, I was almost gonna fall. Okay, so make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Bye.